Namaskar friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is FPV First-Person View Drone Maker. Orqa launches global manufacturing program to scale output beyond 1 million units. Orqa has announced the launch of its global manufacturing partnership program to expand production capacity to more than 1 million drones per year through collaborations with trusted partners worldwide. The initiative builds on Orqa's ability to manufacture 280,000 drones annually at its headquarters in Osijek, Croatia, and extends this model through a decentralized global network. Partnerships have already been established in North America, Europe, the Middle East, and the Indo-Pacific, with further agreements under development. Together, these facilities are intended to create a distributed and resilient production network to meet growing global demand for defense-grade unmanned aerial systems, while supporting reindustrialization and skilled manufacturing jobs in local markets. We are a rapidly growing business with the capacity to produce 280,000 drones at our headquarters alone, said Srjan Kovacevic, CEO of Orqa. The agreements we've already secured put us on track to achieve our target capacity of 1 million drones per year, a significant milestone at a time when global security challenges are evolving rapidly. Under the program, Orqa combines its engineering expertise with localized manufacturing to ensure consistent quality while reducing lead times, logistics complexity, and regulatory barriers. The company designs and manufactures FPV first-person view and unmanned aerial systems in Croatia, and reported the delivery of 100,000 products in 2024 to customers in more than 50 countries. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.